US to do the show, we can still give that same production to our fans here back home, because these are the fans that helped us to even reach there. So appreciating them is a given, and I'm happy that it's during your tenure, and this is actually my first show after 14 years in the North ever. So tonight is going to be amazing. I feel at home already. My brother obviously followed us to sound check and to check the sound, and then we even had fans that were walking that came to the front. And we're just happy to be here. I've been here once before, but it was for a wedding. So I'm happy to be back officially. It's going to be a great time. Thank you, Your Excellency, for the welcome for me and my team. Yes, God bless you. God bless the state.
What do you come here decision to come back? No, we did it. We sent our production to around